If you frequently create the same projects and tasks, you can save time and effort by setting up a project template, allowing you to quickly deploy these task sets whenever needed. To create a project template, click on the Tasks tab at the top of Basil. Next, toggle the view to Projects and click Plus Project. In the context of a project template, some fields are required, some fields are optional, and some fields will be cleared upon being saved to a template. This means whatever you put in for the cleared fields will not carry over whenever you go to apply the template. Project name is the only required field. The optional fields are description, tags, and the Enable Workflow checkbox. The fields that get cleared upon becoming a template are Start Date, Due Date, Client, Workspace, Repetition Cycle, and Cora Assistant. Fill out the fields as desired for your template, and click the Add Tasks button at the bottom. This screen is where you can add your tasks to the project. Since we're making a template, the title of the task is required, but not the description. Upon entering a title and hitting the Enter or Tab key on the keyboard, more fields will display. Assigned to, Priority, Tags, the Schedule section, the Billing section, and the Folders and Files section. Despite the Assigned to field being required, it is one of the fields that will be cleared upon creating the template, similar to the last step, so you can simply select Unassigned for each task. All fields except title and description will be cleared as well upon creating the template. Once you've filled out all the fields you wanted to fill out, you can click one of two buttons at the bottom of the screen. We're going to add one more task to this project template. You can review, edit, delete, and reorder the tasks from the Tasks subtab. Click the Project subtab at the top left. At the bottom of the Project tab, click the Save as Template button. To use a previously created project template, click on the Tasks tab at the top and toggle the view to Projects. Click the three-dot menu option next to the Add Project button, then click the Templates option. On the screen, select Use for the template you wish to utilize. The Project Status section allows you to set the default start and due dates. The Select Client section allows you to choose the client or your firm and a workspace for each. Selecting multiple clients and workspaces here will create a separate project for each. The Project Info section is where you add a title and description. The Schedule section enables you to select a repetition cycle if needed, and choose whether or not to enable a workflow order, meaning only the first task will be generated upon launch, and the subsequent tasks will be created after each previous task is completed. Enabling Cora Assistant section will send scheduled email reminders to the task owners until the project is completed. Click Continue and click the Tasks subtab at the top left. Here, you can review the tasks and edit each task's details, such as assignee. When ready, you can return to the Project subtab at the top left and click Launch. You'll be brought back to the Projects section of the Tasks tab, where you should see your newly created project created from your template.